1990 Jaguar XJS V12 convertible. Price: $16,950. Location: Austin. The 1990 Jaguar XJS V12 convertible is the definition of classic British luxury mixed with powerful grand touring performance. Finished in stunning factory signal red paint, this timeless convertible immediately grabs attention with its long hood, elegant body lines, and unmistakable Jaguar styling. With only 33,954 original miles, this low-mileage survivor looks like a true automotive time capsule from the golden era of luxury motoring. The exterior design still feels incredibly special decades later. The chrome trim, quad headlights, and iconic 15-inch alloy wheels create a sophisticated presence that stands out everywhere it goes. Combined with the black power soft top, this Jaguar delivers the perfect vintage luxury convertible look that continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts around the world. The legendary 5.3-litre V12 engine under the hood is what truly makes this Jaguar unforgettable. Known for its silky smooth performance and effortless cruising ability, the V12 transforms every drive into a refined luxury experience. Paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, and dual exhaust, the XJS offers a quiet yet powerful ride that perfectly represents classic Jaguar engineering. The interior is pure old-school luxury. The Bali leather cabin is beautifully complemented by rich walnut burl wood trim throughout the dashboard and center console. Features like air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and an AM or FM radio make this convertible feel comfortable and premium even by today's standards. Every detail inside reminds you why Jaguar was considered one of the world's most elegant luxury brands. The convertible configuration gives this XJS a unique personality. Instead of traditional rear seats, Jaguar added a stylish carpeted luggage area with chrome rails and integrated speakers, making this grand tourer perfect for weekend road trips or sunset coastal drives. With the soft top down and the smooth V12 engine humming, this car creates a driving experience that modern luxury cars simply cannot replicate. The clean Carfax report adds extra confidence to this already impressive classic. Finding a low-mileage Jaguar XJS V12 convertible in factory colors and preserved condition is becoming increasingly rare in today's collector market. This example represents not only luxury and performance, but also a growing investment opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. The 1990 Jaguar XJS V12 convertible is more than transportation. It is a symbol of timeless elegance, smooth V12 power, and vintage automotive craftsmanship. Whether displayed at a car show, driven through the city at night, or enjoyed on a long highway cruise, this Jaguar delivers the kind of attention and emotion that only true classics can provide.